Hey, fourth and fifth graders, and welcome to Digital Academy. I'm Mr. Schrick, your physical education teacher. If we have any new students out there, welcome. I'm glad you're at Southview and you're with us. Just a few things. We're going to be working through Schoology, which many of you are already familiar with. It's kind of new to Mr. Schrick, but I'll do my best. All right. You might need to help me a little bit with this. Okay, Mrs. Ritchie's been helping me, so that's helped. I'm more familiar with Seesaw, but I'll definitely I'll do my best. But please be patient with me, okay? For Digital Academy PE and all specialists, it's 2 weeks, so we'll give out a lesson for every or activities for 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks at a time. It's just like with the hybrid kids that are in class. We only see them once every 2 weeks as well. All right, so the biggest thing for Mr. Schrick, and you know he cares about you, and he wants you to take care of yourself and be healthy. At least, because I only see you once every 2 weeks, you got to take it upon yourself and be active. And they say 60 minutes a day of being active. And it doesn't mean it has to be a rigorous exercise for 60 minutes. It's just being active and moving. All right, that's the most important thing. You got to take care of yourself and take care of your body, because you know I care about you. All right, so you've got to do, maybe some of you play sports. It could be going on a walk, it could be riding your bike, it could be mowing the lawn, whatever it may be. All right, but try to stay active and try to be active 60 minutes a day. For our lessons, I will put these on, or activities on Schoology for this 2 weeks. I have a Tabata warm-up. It's 4.5 minutes. There's 8 exercises. You go for 20 seconds and then rest 10 seconds. It's a great warm-up to get your body moving. Great to start out in the morning doing that. Okay? And then I have a sheet, PDF document. It's all about me. And it's actually all about you, because I want to know all about you, which I know a lot about you already because you've been at Southview, most of you. But I want you to fill that out and then send it back, upload it, and send it back to Mr. Schrick through Schoology. All right? I'm looking forward to the school year. I definitely, if you have any questions, or don't feel free to email me, contact me anytime. I'm here. All right? What else? Anything else? That's probably it. You rock. Power to the positive. Let's have a great year. Take care.